So today I'll introduce my sport, or should I call it a sport. I will demonstrate a basic object in this game. Firstly, it's Mobile Legend, and there are many mechanics in this game. The rules are to win, and to do so, you need to understand how the game works and master it, such as knowing other hero skills to preventing getting killed. You need a lot of practice in this game. The point is to win, as I mentioned before, and you need to find a hero that suits you and master it. There are roles you can pick, like jungler, gold laner, XP laner, mid laner, and roamer, each with a different approach to follow. Now I'll show you all the heroes and what they do in the game. Now, first, a roamer. A roamer can be tank or support, and in this case, I'll show you a tank. I'll demonstrate how to use it. Now, I will gank the enemy jungle, which increases the chance of winning, like that. Then, I'll go to the other lane to provide support. Keep repeating this strategy. If the turtle spawns quickly, back up your jungler to take it down. If your jungler kills the turtle, there's a high chance of winning. Second is jungler. As a jungler, you need to clear objectives such as obtaining buffs by killing monster. Keep farming and supporting your teammates, such as a gold laner or XP laner. If the turtle is about to spawn, take it down. Killing the first turtle give a high advantage of winning. Now, third is mid laner. Using the mid laner is quite straightforward. In the initial stage of minion wave, help your jungler kill the monster. After this, proceed to the mid lane and clear the minions. Then head to the gold lane to gank the enemy gold laner. Afterward, continue clearing minions in the mid lane, then rotate to side lanes if the turtle is about to spawn. Help your jungler to kill it. Fourth is the gold laner. Being a gold laner is a crucial role, so you need to be careful in how you use it. The gold laner is the one who will carry in the late game, so prioritize gold accumulation. If the gold laner build items, it can be dominate the game. And lastly, the XP laner. As an explainer, you'll prioritize your level because it's important to do so. Then you can help your jungler if the jungle is about to spawn. That's all
Today,
the
I'll
rules
introduce
of
my
Mobile
sport,
Legends
or
and
should I
mechanics
call it a
in the
sport.
game.
I
Now,
will demonstrate
I'm
a
going
basic
to show
object
you my
in
full
this game.
gameplay. I'm
First,
using
it's
the
Mobile
jungle role
Legends,
in
and
this
there are
gameplay.
many mechanics in this
Enjoy.
game. The
Smash them! All troops bring the bearer of the blessing, the custodian of all Leonins' joy. Dizzy now? Launch attack! Press Zappa! tell on me? The enemy has slain the turtle. Tapping your foot now? No stopping joy. Oh no! Cardiac arrest condition! Your team initiates retreat! Initiate retreat! Slain. Kitty, and you get a touch. Enemy double kill. Attack! We will soon learn the short-tailed Leonin. Killing spree! Love makes the planet. Always remember that. Double kill! Your team destroyed a turret! Killing spree! Double kill! Victory!